getting their bikes warmed up. Invite only annual winter hare scramble. And crazy thing is, I'm going to turn the camera around. I was here yesterday helping lay out ribbon, pounding stakes in the ground, laying out the course. And this was 5 to 6 inches of snow yesterday. And I was hoping to get some real cool footage of guys just, you know, mobbing out in the deep snow, but we actually had a big warm up, and what really did it is probably 6-7 hours of high wind. So it got to probably 45-46 degrees yesterday, and with that wind the snow literally disappeared overnight. But we're still gonna get some good footage. So just gonna be real small hare scramble. Maybe it looks like 10 to 15 bikes, but yeah, we'll see what we can get into. It kind of sucks that all the snow melted, but should still be fun. That is nasty looking. Get it, son? Hell yeah. Here they come. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop in here real quick just to say this was a right there for fun hare scramble put on by the Muskegon Motorcycle Club, a few of their members. It was invite only, so it was just a very small number of members and friends. I think there was only like 12 bikes in total. The weather was supposed to be bad, so they might have had a better turnout, I'm not sure, but this was totally for fun, and I just kind of took the opportunity to go do some filming with my new camera. I got the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, but this is just going to be a bunch of clips. I would go to different parts of the course. I think the course was about 5 miles in total, so I was just going from one end to the other and just getting some clips. I mashed them all together so the guys could see it, make a video out of it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this finds everybody that was riding that day. And yeah, very rare to have this nice of weather in December here in Michigan, so hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. And some of these guys are running studs and some aren't. I'd say it's probably 50-50. Eric Ledford. We're in the same class during the regular season. I'm back on the other side of the property where they go up this nice little hill, and that little washout on the other side is actually kind of nasty. This property is killer, man. It is a really special property. I mean, they're only riding the top side of this property just, you know, to stay out of the, like if they went down there and stuff, it'd just be too much muck, probably bury yourself. So anyways, whew, I'm actually sweating from walking this whole place, or just the top. I think the course is 4 or 5 miles, they said. So yeah, perfect day. Again, I wish I would have brought my bike, but oh well. And you gotta let up when you come up to the top, because I don't know, camera probably won't show it. It's not a drop off, but it's steep enough where you could wad yourself up real easy with too much speed. Plus it's just a little rut going down. So. That guy's so good. So fast. Come Steve.
Man, them two are close.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Woo. Rudy's the winner.
That's fun. Thanks, guys. No problem. That's fun.
And second place, Joe Bibler.
Yeah.
Second place, Joe.
Good race, guys.
Good job, Joe. Good job, man.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Got you by 45 seconds.
I fell and I was fucking tired after I fell.
And I was out there in no water, so that's not. But yeah, my